Hello everyone, I am Lenny Ortiano and for today I will be your tour guide. So first is we will go to Sidar. Sidar short for Center of Ecological Development and Recreation. Sidar is a mountainous and forested area which gives a cold climate, lush forest cover and abundant water sources. This area enhances the natural beauty and ecological importance. The biodiversity thrives in Sidar due to its role in reforestation area managed by DENR. It is the home for various endemic plant and animal species, making it heaven for nature lover and researcher alike. Historically, it was established to promote environmental conservation and sustainable tourism, serving as a model for ecological restoration. And since this site is located in a region where Higaonon indigenous people, their tradition and practices are being applied inside, and through this rich cultural layer, it offers a chance for visitors to appreciate both nature and the heritage of Bukidnon. So now let's go to Sidar. So now our next destination is in Lake Pinamaloy. Lake Pinamaloy is located in Don Carlos, Bukidnon. It's a 60-hectare freshwater lake that serves as the main source of potable water for the municipality. It supports a diverse aquatic ecosystem, including water lilies that contribute to its beauty, but require careful ecological management. Historically, the lake area played a role in the early development of Don Carlos, attracting settlers and contributing to local livelihood. Culturally, it remains a value site for recreation, reflection, and community identity among residents. Also, activities such as bike picnic area are present in the area. So now our next destination is in Lake Apo. Lake Apo is a serene crater lake located in Barangay Ginuyuran, Valencia City, Binoy. It is it has an elevation of approximately 640 meters above sea level, covering around 24 hectares with depth reaching up to 26 meters. It was recognized in the late 1990s as the cleanest inland body of water in northern Mindanao. The name lake comes from Bisaya word meaning elder or grandparent, reflecting its cultural significance and the local legend of a man punishing by a mountain beast, leading to the lake's formation. Once a neglected pond, Lake Apo has been transformed into a community-driven ecotourism site, offici- offering activities like bamboo rafting and fishing, while providing sustainable livelihoods for local residents.